Hello, hello. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope that you are planning something fun for this weekend. So, if you are new here, my name is Noor Al Masri. I'm an enrolled agent and the founder of Noor's Books. I am also known as the nonprofit CFO. Today, my quick live is going to be for my fellow tax professionals. So, if you're not a tax professional, don't watch this video. No, I'm just kidding. So you're welcome to watch. But this is something I prepared for my fellow tax professionals because if you already know me, my I will focus on nonprofit. I'm known as a nonprofit CFO, and for tax season and all over the year, I have 990s to get done. So more than half of the tax return I do every year are 990s. Different type of 990s. I do all of them: 990 easy, 990 in card, and 990 the full form. So that's what I do, and I have had like a lot of actually tax professionals reach out to me during tax season because they have questions about 990. They want to make sure that you do it correctly, and they want to make sure um, they know how to do it, what the requirement, a lot of things. And I got requests like for a lot of different things. So I decided to make it easier for you guys and make a live training. So I'm going to be doing a live training on July 19 and July 20. So it's going to be July 19 and July 20. We are 2023 now. So if you're watching down the road, like a few years later, this already happened in July 2023. So this training is going to be 2 days. It will be live. So I'll be with you live online, but live. So you get to ask me all the questions. We're gonna do like live training, take like examples and do real live. 990, we're gonna do a lot of examples and we're gonna go over a lot of things that you need to pay attention to in order to avoid audits for your clients. Because if you don't know yet, IRS increased auditing for 990s. They increased a lot. So, and the trigger for audit usually is their 990. No matter what 990 they're doing, it does trigger audit. And there's like red lines, red flags that you have to watch out for in order to avoid those audits. I'm going to tell you what are those red flags and what do you need to pay attention to, what do you need to really review, trouble review, and make sure everything is done right, because those are the red line or the red flags they watch out to. I'm going to tell you all of that in the course, in the live training. So I know a lot of you don't like to do 990s, but let me tell you what, there is no return. Mostly, most of the time, there's no return on 990. It's much easier to do it so your client doesn't keep asking you, where's my refund? Where's my refund? While you don't have anything to do with that because it's under, it's with the IRS. So you don't know. You don't know where's the return. It's ask the IRS. So in this case, there is nothing like that. And also, it's actually a long form. It's a long form to file. You have to have a lot of requirements. You have to have a lot of things. So you get to charge a decent amount that's going to be profitable for you and doable for your clients. And I know also a lot of you thinking like nonprofit have volunteers do their 990s. And let me tell you, nonprofit who have volunteers do their 990s, usually they get in troubles. They do. Either they trigger an audit or they trigger a penalty. First of all, You have to file 990 now electronically. They do not accept paper filing anymore. It's just not acceptable. So when they do that by mail, now it's what? It's considered not done. And also, it's a lot of question there. I assure you, a volunteer who has not been doing taxes will not understand most of it. I know some tax professionals don't understand it because they haven't done it before. And the instructions for the 990 is over 100 page. Who's gonna read all of that, right? It's time consuming. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of things to get done, but it is worth it. And once you know what to look for, what to avoid, what to know exactly, where to exactly what you need to look for, how do you need to answer each question, what do you need to have from your client to make sure you are protected and also your client is protected, that it's going to become easier for you and you'll be able to train other people in your firm and do it. Very few people know how to do 990s, very few. And we have over 1.5 million nonprofits across the country in the US alone. We have over 1.5 million nonprofits in the US alone. So if you learn how to at least deal with their 990s, now you have a competitor, unfair advantage. You are more competitive. You know something other people don't know. And a lot of nonprofits people, they would have their personal return, they would have their business return, and you, of course, know how to do all of that. And so you can get more business. So, if you are ready to scale your business and have more money come to your business doing 990s, I have that course for you, like I said, and let me actually share the link. So, if you are on YouTube, anywhere, Facebook, LinkedIn, here's the link. I put it on the screen. If you are on IG, because my friend on IG doesn't go to the same same screen, so you can actually go to nourasbooks.com and go to courses, other courses, and then you will find the course over there. And you cannot miss it because that course is special. It's called Mastering Nonprofit Tax Returns. Mastering Nonprofit Tax Returns. And you please sign up right now if you're interested because it's a limited seating. I want to make sure I answer everyone's question when we get there. We're gonna spend some time like answering everybody questions. So I want to make sure to be able to pay attention to each one of you. So register now. Do not delay. If you know someone who is interested and really want to learn how to do 990, please share this with them, and I'll be happy to reveal all the secrets. And also, I have a secret that I'm gonna reveal for you that will guarantee that you will never not have business. You will always have business in your firm if you apply what I'm gonna teach you. That doesn't have anything to do with the 990. It's just a secret that I have been using when I think, okay, I want a business coming continuously. That this is the secret I follow. It's really easy. Of course, everything needs you to work, but it's not hard and you can do it. Everyone can do it. And there's over 1.5 million nonprofits again in the US alone. So take advantage of that. A lot of people don't want to do nonprofits, but you don't have to do everything with nonprofits. If you do 990, that's great. If no one wants to do 990, then why don't you? I'll teach you everything you need to learn. I'll give you checklist. I'll give you the questionnaire you need for your client to answer. I'll give you everything you need. I'll give you a checklist to review. If you have a team member, or also if you have yourself and you need someone to review for you, or you own a review, I'll give you exactly what you need to pay attention to make sure you file everything accurately without missing any single thing, so you do not trigger an audit for your clients or yourself, and to be on the safe side. Now, don't delay again. Register now, and I'll hope to see you there. And have a great day. Bye.